In this problem, we're given this algebraic relationship 1 minus x over x minus 1 is 1 over x, and I'm asked to compare x and minus half. So I can rewrite this, and the easiest way to do is to cross multiply. It becomes x times 1 minus x is 1 times x minus 1. This becomes x minus x squared, and this side we have x minus 1. I can subtract x from both sides. I get minus x squared is equal to minus 1. And then I can multiply both sides by minus 1. This becomes x squared equal to 1, so x is equal to plus 1 or minus 1. Now here, if you notice that if x is 1, this becomes 0 over 0, which is undefined. So this relationship, x can't be 1. And in fact, anytime you have an expression where you have division by 0, it's undefined. So x can't really be 1, even though these two expressions are both 0. So x can't be 1, so x must be equal to minus 1. So this quantity a is equal to minus 1. And here minus half is greater, so the correct answer is B.